How to add a logo in your Gamma app. So one way you can do this, and it should just be similar with the other templates you're doing or other projects you're doing in Gamma, you can go ahead here to the top section of the right tab, and it should just be your images, and then you can upload your logo, or you could drag it directly here if you have the file, but it's much better to click to upload, I suppose, and it should just bring you to your file manager. So just go ahead and choose your file with the logo, of course, and just go ahead and press unopen. Now, right now, it does have a few random things we don't want to be in the picture itself, but we can change that right now by cropping it. So we're gonna do that right now. Press on the crop section or feature and just fit in the logo we want. So like that, and then we're gonna go ahead and press an enter. And if for some reason your logo isn't a square or something, and that should come actually pretty commonly, you can go ahead and click on your media, right click, and then you're gonna go here with edit with agent, since this should be one of the fastest ways you can do so, and go ahead and type in that you want to remove the background. So if you want it to be more specific, you can add more details, but that's pretty much it. That's how you add your logo in Gamma. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.